Hello, my name is Tim Root, general contractor in Key West. I've been working as a consultant with Southernmost Beach Resorts. We're sitting here at the Lemire Guest House, which is part of the Southernmost Beach Resorts collection. We had done a full restoration of this property for the historic guidelines to the city of Key West. Being a member of the Historical Architectural Review Board back in the early 2000s, we always had an ordinance that keeps the front facades and the front porches and balconies of our city historic. And we came up with something that was better than the pine wood and the painting that's done on most houses, but we couldn't find something that wore a long time until I came across Americana wood. It happened to be from my area of Pennsylvania where I lived, and we went and looked at it, and it's been a great product. The installation process is basically like a wood floor. It's a tongue and groove flooring. It's blind nailed through the tongue instead of the groove, and it turns out very much like the original flooring that was here when it first was built. The reason that sold us on the wood was, one was its process that makes this wood actually bug resistant and pretty much watertight. That's what really sold us, being in an historically subtropical climate with a lot of animals that love to eat wood. And this happens to be one of the best ways through the process that Americana did to stop that from happening. When I was here doing touch-up and punch list, there was guests now staying in the place, and they actually commented on how beautiful the floors looked, and I was amazed. And I, of course, told them to tell everyone who built them. And it was an Americana decking. This is our first time to use Americana decking. We've been more than satisfied with it. As a matter of fact, I have two friends of mine that used it on their front porches in Pennsylvania in an historic area. Overall, I am recommending this everywhere, and the people on the historic board with the city have seen the wood and now recommend it in their guidelines to be used.